I have spent the past about an hour installing Lubuntu on this R51 ThinkPad, and it's taking goddamn forever to read off his flash drive because it only has 512 megabytes of fucking DDR1, 333 megahertz fucking RAM, and it's got a Pentium M. Oh, it's taking so long. Plus, the hard drive is like almost 20 years old, so this is gonna take forever. But it's gonna be worth it. But yeah, I'm gonna upgrade it to 2 gigabytes at some point so that I can install Arch Linux on it, which is my preferred distro, as you can see on my little itty bitty ThinkPad. I call this my baby laptop because this one was for this. So this one I got for $50 at a vintage computer meetup. This one I got from the same computer meetup, and it was for free because it was very broken. But all I had to do was slap in a new SSD and replace the cooling. So that was the thermal paste. So that was really fun. Yeah, and this one is hooked up jankily to my 14 volts power supply because I don't have the original charger and the battery in. I have to keep it up. I have to keep it connected because the battery does not hold a charge. See, that's just my ThinkPads. I'll have an update later.